The number one problem I have with eBay is dealing with shipping. It's actually not just shipping, but packaging and then shipping the items that have sold. I'm not good at it. I can tell you a story. Years ago, I sold something at auction for 99 cents, messed up the shipping, and ended up costing me $5 out of pocket. I am definitely not good at it, but I'm trying to get better. I've started taking eBay more seriously as of October of 2024. Now we're into February of 2025. And let me give you an example of what happened to me. Here's the listing. 4 wine glasses, Lenox wine glasses from the 90s. I sold them for $33, plus the shipping was $6.65. Here's the problem. I realized I needed to pack them in another box, a bigger box, with bubble wrap all around the wine glasses in the box, the inner box. Well, what happened next? The problem is it was heavier and the dimensions of the box were bigger, and as a result, the $6.65 that was paid by the customer became $13.13 because the dimensions of the box were bigger than what I originally listed. You see, that for me is always tough. I don't necessarily keep a ton of boxes available. I don't even have them, and even if I did, I'm not sure I would know where to store them in my house. Not only did I lose the $6 plus, when it comes to fees, eBay includes the shipping costs with the fees that you end up paying when something sells. That means I lost even more than $6.48. How much did I make? The glasses cost me $10.50 at a Goodwill. Now, the order total, $43.17, sounds really good, but the actual earnings was $19.54, and that means I made just over $9. I'm trying to make sure that when it comes to boxing up and shipping every item, that I really nail it, that I can make more money just by eliminating my mistakes. Here you can see my list of goals. Finding boxes is top of the list. I'm going to try to look at maybe some dollar stores and supermarkets. I also found some boxes that were pretty reasonable on Walmart, not Uline and not Amazon. I need to make sure that I am very specific when it comes to the weight and the dimensions of a box that I have for shipping the item. And if I don't have a box, I need to add another pound and some inches to my dimensions so that when I find the box, I'm not going and losing crazy money. For the last one, I was passing the shipping discount that eBay gives you to the customer. But I've decided I'm going to change that and keep the discount for myself, because what I'm realizing is getting tape and bubble wrap and buying boxes is expensive. At the end of the month, I'll compare what I've done with shipping and selling items compared to January. As far as my January 2025, as you see here on the screen, I sold 11 items. I actually cleared $142.25. That's an average of about $13 per item. And I definitely made more money in January so far than I did in any other month. Thanks for watching. I hope you got something out of the video and can learn from my mistakes. And I'll keep going ahead and making some more videos as my eBay journey continues. And I hope you're making money on eBay as well.